Okay, you're going to start on bay 4. All right, the other long one with steel. Squad 3. Your fourth shooting position is that chair. You can use that chair.
You can choose your starting position, correct?
What's that?
You can start on
You're
when
going to start.
Unsupported offhand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so there's 6.
6. Okay, I'm just clearing.
I only have 5 fingers on one
I know.
hand.
That's
Standing back. You have the clay pigeons here.
Shoot, that's a no shoot. You gotta watch your background. You gotta go through, hit the right. Okay, give me a nod when you're ready. Shooter is ready. Stand by. Hit. 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 Ready, stand by.
Gary, double deck.
That's not ADA approved. Oh! Okay, unload, you stay clear.
What?
Hit.
Take it.